What Has Been Happening to Amber Heard, Depp v. Heard, a new 3-part Netflix documentary, examines the high-profile court case between actor Johnny Depp and his ex-wife, actress Amber Heard, focusing on the trial's media coverage, which included widely viewed televised hearings that gave way to the first trial by TikTok. The court struggle between the former couple began in 2016, when Heard filed for divorce from Depp and obtained a restraining order against him, alleging that he was physically and verbally abusive during their marriage. She later dropped the claim, and Depp paid her $7 million divorce settlement, which she donated to charity. Depp sued the British newspaper The Sun for libel in 2020 after it published a report labeling him a wife-beater, and the actor's legal team claimed that Heard was the abuser in their relationship. The case was dismissed by a judge who stated that he felt the newspaper's description of Depp's aggression against Heard was substantially true. However, the documentary's famous 6-week trial occurred when Depp also sued Heard for defamation in the United States, after she authored an op-ed in the Washington Post describing herself as a public figure representing domestic violence, despite the fact that the article never mentioned Depp by name. After 6 weeks of hearings, Heard was found guilty on 3 counts of defamation, and the court awarded Depp $10.35 million in damages. Heard filed a countersuit against one of those charges, and received damages of $2 million. "The disappointment I feel today is beyond words," Heard stated after the ruling. "I'm heartbroken that the mountain of evidence still was not enough to stand up to the disproportionate power, influence and sway of my ex-husband. I'm even more disappointed with what this verdict means for other women. It is a setback. It sets back the clock to a time when a woman who spoke up and spoke out could be publicly shamed and humiliated. It sets back the idea that violence against women is to be taken seriously." Heard decided to settle the case, although she maintained that this was not an act of concession, saying, "There are no restrictions or gags with respect to my voice moving forward." After the trial, she sold her home in Yucca County, California, and relocated to Europe.